is January 10th. We have otters under the dock right here. Sammy, look. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that in the water, huh? Where'd it go?
Isn't that funny? Look at that one right here.
There they go. They're not afraid of people. Sammy, look.
Look. Over here. Look. What's that? Over here. Look.
No, she saw it going down over there.
How funny is that?
Where'd they go? Oh, it's over here. It's over here. Right here. Oh.
What's that? Look. What's that? Oh, that's great.
And I can't even get them on the film.
That is so cool. What's that?
Oh, look at Sammy. You're not barking?
Look. Look at these guys.
I'm too close.
Sammy, what's that?
Where are they?
Right there.
I know. I can't get them in the...
You taking a vista of the river too?
Oh.
How cool is that?
Oh, where are they in the water? It's so hard to get them.
And you got still photos, right?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? What's that?
Oh, there they go. Over here.
It's playing now with the dog.